Hi there, you're welcome to Ife's Twist. Today in our kitchen, we're making a tasty Ghana Waakye recipe. Stick with me as we do this together. I'll be using 2.5 cups of black-eyed peas, and I'll sort through them to take out any rocks, dirt, or any discolored black-eyed peas which I do not want in my waakye. When I'm done, I'll give this a thorough wash a couple of times with cold water and then set this aside. And to get that desired waakye color, we'll be using some sorghum leaves and a pinch of baking soda. I'll carefully wash each of my sorghum leaves, unrolling it and getting into the corners to get away with all of the dirt. When I'm done with this, I'll set this aside and then get started with my waakye. In a cooking pot, I'll add my washed black-eyed peas, add some water, and then put this to a boil. And I'll be tying my sorghum leaves before adding it to my waakye because this makes it easier to remove it when it's time to. I'll gather my sorghum leaves together and cut a piece of kitchen twine long enough to tie around the sorghum leaves and tie securely with the kitchen twine. This step is totally optional. I'll add my sorghum leaves to my pot of black-eyed peas with a pinch of bicarbonate of soda and allow this to boil. And in 15 minutes, you can see that our waakye color is beginning to form. I'll allow this to boil for about 25 minutes. And as our black-eyed peas continues cooking, I'll begin to prep my rice. I'm using 1.5 cups of Jasmine rice. I'll wash this thoroughly and then set it aside. Checking on my beans and it's 70% cooked. Exact time for me to add my rice. I'll begin by taking out my sorghum leaves and then add my washed jasmine rice. After stirring this in, I'll add some coconut oil, salt to taste, and allow this to cook on a low to medium heat. The coconut oil gives the waakye the right texture, and the flavors here are just amazing. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime we drop a video, you will be notified right away. And after 15 minutes of cooking, it's time to give this a stir. Our waakye is coming together so beautifully. I'll give this a good stir and then put a parchment paper over this to allow the heat to trap in to hasten the cooking process. And in 15 minutes, I'll be checking on my waakye, and this looks so perfect. The texture, flavors was just amazing. And we'll be serving this with all the sides that go with waakye: macaroni, gari, fried plantain, salad, and everything was just perfect. Our waakye cooked to perfection, and I must say, this recipe is a must try. friends, try this one and let us know how it went. And it's time to dish our waakye. As you know, waakye comes with a lot of sides. We will be having this with some spaghetti, gari, salad, and I will be having this also with some fried plantain, which was a perfectly good match in addition to this feast. My egg, fried fish, wele, my meat. Oh my goodness, this waakye was just perfect. And this shito to top it all up was just amazing. I'll leave a link to my shito recipe in the description below. And we're dishing another one just like you would at the roadside in Ghana. Yes, we did not come to play. This waakye feast was just right. Friends, I really enjoyed this one. It was tasty, delicious, and you should definitely try this. Thank you so much for staying with us. I'll say a big thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining this family. Remember to subscribe if you have not. Kindly like and share our videos. And until I see you guys again in another one, bye from a fierce twist.